The Samsung Galaxy A55, released in March 2024, offers a compelling set of features for users seeking a balanced smartphone experience. It sports a 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Under the hood, the device is powered by the Exynos 1480 chipset, coupled with options of 6GB, 8GB, or 12GB of RAM, ensuring efficient multitasking and performance. Storage capacities include 128GB and 256GB variants, both expandable via microSD card up to 1TB, providing ample space for apps, media, and files. The camera system comprises a 50MP main sensor with an f/1.8 aperture, a 12MP ultrawide lens with a 123 degrees field of view, and a 5MP macro lens, catering to diverse photography needs. For selfies, a 32MP front camera is available. The device is equipped with a 5000 mAh battery supporting 25W fast charging, ensuring prolonged usage with quick recharge times. Additional features include an in-display fingerprint sensor, IP67 dust and water resistance, and 5G connectivity, all running on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1 interface.